Have you ever wondered how so many people across the world get their 10-year green card for themselves, for their spouses, for their kids, and they do not have an employer and even a job offer? Today, guys, I'm gonna answer these intriguing questions and also give you an opportunity to get a free evaluation on this beautiful program. Let's go! Hello, my dear friends. My name is Stanislav Shamayev. I'm a licensed business immigration and corporate attorney in Miami, Florida. Today, I'm going to discuss the program that will help you to get a green card even without an employer, like all these other programs require. And I will explain how to prepare that case, what to look for, how to avoid the red flags, and other things. Let me give you the spoiler alert. We're gonna be talking about EB-1A visas. And I know it's called visa, but because it's an immigrant visa, it grants you the green card, all right? Some of you have heard about this program, that it's for geniuses, for Einsteins, for people with Nobel Prizes, people who have the intergalactical prizes, awards, and things like that. But let me tell you guys, this is just simply not true, because I've got more than 3,500 approvals for this and other talent visas in my company, and I never seen those intergalactical people who got those approvals. Let me tell you who can fall within this type of visa. A good professional in the field. I've got so many professions, of course, like IT people, cybersecurity engineers, doctors, architects, the designers, the athletes, the professors, other educational people, lawyers. Those are the simple ones, okay? Like business people, investors. Those talent visas I do every day, but also people from the art, like artists, actors, singers, DJs, ghostwriters, producers, the cameraman, and things like that. Also beauty industry. If you nail master, if you barber, if you the stylist, also fall within this category. Even the corporate presentation presenter or a corporate secretary, or even a person who can organize your house. We all got the green cards for those people. It's not about what's your field and your professional. It's all about the criteria. Awards, judging the work of other professionals, press articles, professional associations, contribution in the industry, higher income, academic articles, critical or leading role in a company with distinguished reputation. Each of these criteria have depth in them. Okay, so it's important that you guys watch my other videos or get a free evaluation. I'll tell you about this a little bit later to understand if you have the case. Okay, now once I qualify you for EB-1A, and again, that's the free evaluation, then complex immigration planning, and then you can start working with my team. You will be working on those criteria that you already have, and 2-3 criteria is good enough to start. And for the next 6 months, we will be improving your case, getting the rest of the criteria, and describing your case. Each particular recognition and achievement should be described. So your achievements is this much in the case, but the description of them is this much. At the end, those cases are pretty heavy to send them with the FedEx. Now, what is number one mistake for people who do those cases themselves? And God forbid you guys from doing that, you're gonna waste a lot of time and money. But even some attorneys don't understand that those descriptive documents are critical, and there must be the exact structure in that case. So if you don't have the description of them, the immigration officer is not gonna buy it. That's number one. Number two, you must have 15 recommendation letters, and some of them must be expert opinion letters, especially on contribution on the field criterion. Number three, thinking that some facts that are in your case are well known in the world. And an easy example, let's say if you played in Barcelona, right? If you're Messi or some other famous player, and saying to the immigration officer, hey, Barcelona is a club with distinguished reputation, everybody knows about it, but still not providing for the evidence of that. The officer, even if or she knows that it's a famous club, he is looking in the four corners of your petition, and if you fail to prove that simple fact, that's not gonna be accepted. So that's why we have a big team, 8 to 12 people actually working on your case, making sure that every single word, every single comma is proved by the preponderance of the evidence standard, okay? More likely than not. And only then we pick up the case. I draft a memorandum, a legal memorandum in your case that makes a legal argument why we satisfied this or that criterion. And after that, a designer makes your case beautiful. We put the pictures. We print your case on a thicker paper. When the officer gets that, he feels the weight of it. He feels how strong your case that is. You see, we're even trying to influence the immigration officer to the subconscious level, all right? We really put a lot of effort in that. And with expedited processing, which is 15 days, your case will be approved. Now, you want to know what is the next step, Stanislav? I want to know about the potential in my case. Free evaluation. Go down below this video, find the link that's gonna say free evaluation of your case, click on it, fill out the questionnaire. Within 2 days, I'll get back to you and break down your case. See that word potential, look for it. Not everybody will see that word, but if you do, your next step is complex immigration planning, where in 2 phases, I will draft a written winning strategy in your case. And the third step is going to be hiring myself and my team to work for your case for the next 6 months. And don't forget, this type of visa does not require an employer. It's self-petitioned, so we rely only on ourselves and our resources, and we have the independent experts, we have the PR agencies who will help you with the press, with academic articles, sometimes with professional associations. We have all the experience of thousands of cases that got approved in the past. You get all that in one package. So get that free evaluation right now, don't wait, and see for the word potential. Smash that like button if you enjoyed this video. Follow me on my Instagram, Telegram, TikTok, Facebook. Subscribe to my YouTube channel not to miss all those videos I release weekly. My name is Stanislav Shamayev. I'm a lawyer of the future. Your future begins here. Good luck.